Once upon a time, in the snowy kingdom of Arendelle, Queen Elsa was practicing her ice magic. She loved creating beautiful snowflakes and glistening ice sculptures. One day, as she swirled her hands in the air, a strange portal appeared before her. It shimmered like the northern lights, glowing with magic. Curious, Elsa stepped closer. Suddenly, a gust of wind pulled her in. She tumbled through a tunnel of light and landed softly on a green meadow filled with singing birds and dancing flowers. Elsa stood up and looked around in wonder. This was not Arendelle. The air was warm, and everything felt like a fairy tale. Just then, a woman with bright red hair and a beautiful gown appeared. She twirled with joy, her voice as sweet as a songbird's. "Hello there. I'm Giselle. Welcome to Andalasia," the woman said with a cheerful smile. Elsa smiled back. "I'm Elsa, Queen of Arendelle. I don't know how I got here." Giselle clapped her hands. "Oh, magic brought you here. Andalasia is full of magic. But don't worry, we will find a way to send you home." Elsa looked around. The land was beautiful, but something felt different. She lifted her hands and swirled them. A tiny snowflake appeared and floated to the ground. But as it touched the earth, the ground sparkled and turned into ice. Snowflakes filled the sky, and soon, the warm meadow was covered in frost and glittering ice. Giselle gasped but then giggled. "Oh my, it's like winter and summer." Just then, dark clouds swirled above them. A woman in a dark cloak appeared. Her eyes were full of jealousy and mischief. "I am Morgana, the Sorceress of Shadows," she said. "And you, Queen Elsa, have just given me a brilliant idea." With a wave of her hand, Morgana cast a spell. Ice and snow spread all around, but this was not Elsa's beautiful winter magic. It was dark and stormy, freezing the joy and music of Andalasia. "You see, dear Elsa," Morgana sneered, "I will keep you here forever. With your ice magic, I shall rule this land and turn it into my own frozen kingdom." Elsa gasped. "I don't want to stay here forever. My sister Anna needs me." Giselle stepped forward bravely. "You cannot stop us, Morgana. We will find a way to break your spell." Morgana only laughed and disappeared into the swirling snowstorm she had created. Elsa and Giselle knew they had to act fast. "Music is powerful in Andalasia," Giselle said. "Maybe if we sing together, we can bring back the warmth and break Morgana's spell." Elsa nodded. "And I can use my magic to guide our song through the land." Hand in hand, they began to sing. Giselle's voice was bright and cheerful, while Elsa's was strong and powerful. Their song filled the air, warming the frozen trees and melting the icy ground. Elsa swirled her hands, shaping the snowflakes into sparkling notes that danced through the sky. The magic of their music spread across the land, pushing away Morgana's dark clouds. The sun shone again, the flowers bloomed, and laughter returned to Andalasia. Morgana's spell was broken. "No, this cannot be." Morgana shrieked as her power faded. With a final gust of wind, she vanished, never to be seen again. Elsa and Giselle cheered. "We did it!" As the magic of Andalasia returned to normal, the glowing portal appeared again. It was time for Elsa to go home. Giselle hugged Elsa. "I will never forget our adventure." Elsa smiled. "Me neither. Thank you for your help, Giselle." With a final wave, Elsa stepped into the portal and was whisked back to Arendelle. She landed softly on the snowy mountains, her heart full of joy. As she walked back to the castle, she hummed the song she and Giselle had sung, knowing that magic and friendship would always connect their two worlds. And so, the fairy tale adventure of Elsa and Giselle came to a happy, enchanted end.